How to set up timer multiple photo shots for camera on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, scroll down to end and showing you timer multiple photo option. After click on multi photo option and you will see select from here 1 second, 1.5 second, 2 second, 2.5 second, 3 second, 1 picture, 3 picture, 5 pictures, 7 pictures. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up timer multiple photo shots for camera on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.